After preparing a wonderful meal, you might be looking for the quickest and most effective way to clean up, especially those essential kitchen tools. When it comes to cutting boards and the dishwasher, the answer is, it definitely depends on the material of your cutting board. Most plastic cutting boards are perfectly safe to wash in the dishwasher. Plastic is a durable, non-porous material that can withstand the high temperatures and strong detergents found in a dishwashing cycle without warping or cracking. This thorough cleaning process helps sanitize the board, which is crucial for preventing the spread of bacteria, especially after cutting raw meats or poultry. The intense heat and powerful water jets reach every crevice, ensuring a deep clean. However, wooden and bamboo cutting boards should almost never go into the dishwasher. Wood and bamboo are natural, porous materials. The intense heat and prolonged exposure to water in a dishwasher can cause them to dry out rapidly, warp, crack, or even split. This damage not only ruins the board's appearance but also creates tiny crevices where bacteria can hide and flourish, making your board less sanitary over time. Dishwasher detergents can also strip away the natural oils in wood, leading to further deterioration. To make sure you are cleaning your boards correctly, always check the manufacturer's care instructions first. For your plastic boards that are dishwasher safe, place them securely in the dishwasher, ensuring they do not block the spray arms, and run a regular hot water cycle. For wooden and bamboo boards, hand washing is the way to go. Use hot soapy water and scrub both sides of the board thoroughly. Rinse it well and then immediately towel dry it. You can even stand it on its edge to air dry completely, away from direct heat, to prevent moisture from pooling. An extra tip for hand washing wooden boards is to periodically condition them with food-grade mineral oil. This helps to hydrate the wood, prevent it from drying out, and maintain its natural resistance to moisture, extending its life and keeping it smooth and beautiful. This conditioning forms a protective barrier against moisture absorption, which is key to longevity. Understanding the correct cleaning method for each type of cutting board ensures you are maintaining a hygienic kitchen environment and also prolonging the life of your valuable kitchen tools. By choosing wisely and caring for them properly, you can confidently prepare your meals knowing your surfaces are clean and safe.